Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay previews. First let me open Netflix TV app. So I am going to turn off autoplay previews in this TV app, but you cannot find an option to turn off, but there is a way. I will show you. First we have to install Netflix app in your mobile phone. Let me open this Netflix app. Then you have to log into same account, then select your profile. Tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Tap on three lines on top right corner. Go to Manage Profiles. Then select your profile. Go down. Here you can see Autoplay Previews. Here you can turn on or off Autoplay Previews. So when you turn off Autoplay Previews here, that will reflect in your TV also, in your TV Netflix app as well. But you have to use the same profile. So at a profile level, we can control that. So you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.